Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of having inactive friends cluttering up your Snapchat friend list? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up your Snapchat by removing inactive friends step by step. Let's dive right in. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Snapchat application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now, the tricky part is that Snapchat doesn't label inactive friends for you, but there are a couple of ways to figure out who might not be using the app, like checking your story views, searching for the streaks, and looking for the profile changes. In order to remove inactive friends, you have to tap onto the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. In the profile interface, select My Friends and search for the inactive friends whom you want to remove, and press and hold on to the profile. In the profile, you have to tap on the three dot button. Here you can see many options in which you have to select Manage Friendship. You can see Remove Friend at your screen. Tap on it. Tap on Remove, and that's how you remove your inactive friends from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.